On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2014 Palomino Solaire 26RBSS. The floor plan layout is designed to make your camping experience a comfortable and relaxing adventure. The slide-out features a cozy table with 4 chairs for added seating. To the left of the entrance is a double kitchen sink with storage and microwave oven above. Next to the sink is a 3-burner range, refrigerator, and pantry. At the front is the master bedroom with a queen-size bed with overhead cabinets. To the rear is a full bathroom with all the amenities. There is a shower on the right with mirrored vanity and sink to the center. On the left is the toilet and linen storage closet. You can enjoy the camping lifestyle with ease, with all the at-home comforts plus so much more. This Palomino Solaire provides a great space to entertain your family and all your guests. Pack your bags and hitch up this travel trailer for a great adventure. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.